just gonna wait the vacuum, and then we charge the Freon, and then we go. It's ready to go. All right, guys. So it's fixed. It's working. I spent $55 to fix it. I not spent $5,000. That's what he spent, the owner, $5,000 to fix it. They cannot fix it. I spent $55, $34 on the filter dryer, $20 on the switch. Let's see it. It's working. Oh, by the way, it was a big challenge. Cold, nice pressure, 368. Before was this one was freezing. This is hot. Now it's hot, normal temperature. I'm gonna bring my thermal heat and put the temperature. We'll see it. It's good to go. Oh yeah. So I finished my big challenge today. I get this running. Like what I said early. The guys he spent